Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Solix model and noting its firmware version. This matters because updates are model-specific. Next, make sure the unit has a stable power source, battery at least 50% or a constant 12V, since interruptions will brick it. Once ready, insert an FAT32 formatted SD card between 1 GB and 32 GB and copy your existing charts as a backup. Then power down the unit and remove the card to prepare for the PC-based update transfer. On your computer, download the specific Solix update package that matches your exact model and region. This ensures map and base software compatibility. After downloading, extract the archive and copy its contents directly to the root of the FAT32 SD card. Do not create folders or rename files because the unit looks for files by exact names. Once files are copied, use the operating system's eject feature to safely remove the card, preventing file corruption, and prepare to insert it back into the powered down unit. Insert the prepared SD card into the Solix while the unit is powered off. Then power on the device to initiate the update routine automatically. Follow the on-screen prompts, do not remove power or the card during the process, and let the progress reach 100%. Patience matters because interruptions cause failures. Once finished, the unit will often reboot and show the new firmware version. If something goes wrong, power down. Reformat a fresh FAT32 card. Recopy files verifying checksums, and retry as your one reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.